loves, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Pakoze Triple B. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. So guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you how to take care of that thick nails. Like if you have a client coming in with a build up thick nails and you are wondering on how to properly clean the nails. In my previous video I showed you guys on how to take care of the regular nails, the soft nails. So in today's video I would like to share with you guys on how to take care of these nails. If you should notice, these nails, there are lots of things going on in this nail, with this nail. So guys, I'll be explaining to you what I'll be doing, the procedures and everything. Like right now I'm trying to check out the feet, so I'm checking out the nails and the feet all together. I'll also be doing the sole. So guys, but the sole will be in the next video, so I'll show you guys on how I take care of the sole in the next video. But in today's video, let's just concentrate on the hard nails. So guys, right now I'm putting in the nail softener, the cuticle softener around the cuticle area, just to soften up those cuticles. So in these pedicure tutorials I won't be soaking off this nail because it's a hard nail, right? I'm supposed to soak it off, but I'd rather leave it dry and you'll see how I take off every build up, the dirt and everything surrounding the skin. So guys, stay tuned. If you'd like this video, and guys, if you are yet to subscribe, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification and stay tuned. If you find this video helpful, like the video, comment down below, and yes, you can share this video. Thanks guys. So let's just go to the main business. So guys, this is I showed you the cortical nippers, the nail nippers, whatever it's called. Then I have the cuticle pusher, the cuticle remover and the nail cutter. So guys, right now I'll be cutting off the nail, making use of the nail nipper. So right now I'm actually cutting off the nails for me to be able to see the build up underneath the skin, underneath the nail. So guys, right now if you notice I actually cut it to the lowest, like to the lowest length I can, because I have to take off those dirt under this nail. So on the nail bed I have to just clean and properly just do what I'm supposed to do over there. So guys, please stay tuned. So guys, while cutting the nail you have to be very careful not to cut the skin. So my tip for you is that if you want to cut the nail really short, close, like very short, you have to support it with the other thumb finger, so like trying to push back the skin surrounding the nails in order for you to cut the nail without cutting the skin. So that is just the tip I have. Then make sure you check before you actually cut. So guys, that is it. So right now I'm just cutting off the nails, still cutting off the nails. I offer training, so if you like to train with me, there is one-on-one training and there is the online training, the online class. So guys, my information will be in the description box, so you can get my WhatsApp details there. Just send me a DM, then I would let you know if at that time or at that moment if the physical training is going on. I don't know when you'll be watching this video, so right now you can just send me a DM. I will let you know. We can just make appointments on the training, like just to see the days available for the training. So guys, so right now I'm taking off, I pushed back the cuticle, then taking it off with the other sharper edge. So right now, as you can see, just be very careful around the cuticle area in order not to hurt the skin. And also if you notice I go in to the corners of the nail just to take out the dirt, so you have to be very detailed right taking out while taking care of these nails. So right now I just go in to the corners of the nails, take out the dirt I can possibly take out. Then I think it's even explanatory by watching. And also, the under the nail is not left out. I have to take out dirt underneath the nail. I'm so sorry, I couldn't even zoom closer for you to see, but I'll try to see if I could zoom closer for you to see, and I hope you can see what I'm doing, guys. I wish you guys could see the dirt on the nail bed, like the dirt on that area of the nail. So guys, but I don't know if you can see it more closely. Just wish you could see it. So guys, in order for you not to actually hurt the skin, you have to as well push back the skin, just like push it with the other thumb, in order for you to see what you are trying to take, especially if you are just getting to do this particular step for the first time. You have to be very very careful not to hurt the nails. So once you are done cleaning out those areas, you go along with the nail file. So this particular nail file is a very smaller type of nail file, so I will go with this for before taking the other one, so the bigger one. So guys, so right now the reason, the purpose of me taking this file, choosing this file, is for me to go at those inner corners, for me to file properly at the inner corners, and also file at the top, the inner side of the nails. So guys, this is a, please watch, it's very very explanatory, and I hope you guys are actually catching up with what I'm saying. So guys, so right now you can see I'm filing at the side inner corner of it. So then at the cuticle area, just take off the left outs of it, then the top, before I would go along with the bigger files. So guys, please stay tuned. So guys, I would have used an e file, an electronic file, just to take off it easily. But guys, I just wanted to be very very basic for you guys to see, and for you guys to be able to do it without even purchasing an e file, just making use of your regular manual new file. So guys, this is the reason for me not using the e file, though this particular manual file might actually take time, unlike the e file, compared to the e file, but you still get the result you want, you are aiming to. So it just take longer time, that is just the difference. So right now I'm using the bigger file. So right now I'm just doing that same step I did with the smaller file. So just literally the same thing, but the only thing is this will just take off more of it. So guys, I just turned the camera over for you guys to see it properly, to see what I did. So guys, that is it. Then I just took off the dust with alcohol in order for you to, for we to see the results. So guys, this is what I'm actually just taking off the dust from the nails for us to see what we've done so far. Hello guys, this is the other tool. So I'm going to do same thing, same procedure I did with the bigger tool. So that is just it. So in case you were not able to see what I did over there, so with this second tool, I hope you guys could see how I took off the cuticles area, the how I cleaned off the cuticle area, Then guys, this is what I actually did with the bigger tool. So there's no difference. Just please guys, if you find this video helpful, like and comment down below. If you have any question, you can just comment down, then I'll answer your questions. Hope you guys could see the other stubborn cuticle that I was unable to remove with the other sharper edge. So I'm going to use this cuticle remover to just take it out. So that is what I literally did in the bigger tool, just to take it off. If there's this stubborn one, so you just use that to take it off. Then you proceed with the inner corners just to clean it up, and underneath the nails. So hair. So this is actually what I'm talking about. So this is the dirt under this nail. So this is what I actually did with the bigger tools, so you could see the build up. In fact, the ones on the bigger tool was just more than this. So this is it, taking off the dirt, cleaning it off, make sure, just to make sure everything is out. Then I'll proceed filing the nails and doing the other steps. So guys, if you watch to this extent, if you watch to this, like if you watched this part, I appreciate you guys, and I hope this video is helpful. If you have a question or to, just leave it down in the comment section. I'll reply. You get a respond. So this is, I moved to the next two nails, then did the same thing. So that is just it. So guys, after that, after cleaning everything, I go ahead to wash off the nails. The I go ahead with this sole. So guys, if you want to see on how I actually clean the sole, the on like that is under the feet, guys, just watch my next video. I'll be uploading the video next Monday, depending on when you're actually watching this video. So the video will be next after this. So guys, stay tuned and see you next week. This is not the end guys, so just watch to the end, and I will see you guys next week. Thanks so much. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification, and stay tuned. See you guys next Monday. Bye.